besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today's tutorial is a very beginner friendly tutorial and is as well as very cost effective. The whole pack of a hair, it costs around 120 in rand, right? Because I'm currently in South Africa. So for this tutorial, you're going to need one pack of Afro twist braid, as well as your scissors, your crochet pin, as well as your mannequin head, right? And lastly, we are going to need your weaving cap to start your crocheting, right? So you're going to secure your weaving cap, your net, right? You're going to secure it on your mannequin doll. However, if you do not own any mannequin doll, you can make use of someone at home, but make sure that you don't make use of the pin, right? So you're just going to take your scissor and make sure that you cut your hair into two, right? You're going to make two sections so that it doesn't become too long. You know, when Afro twist is too long, it becomes too tangled and it can't get out of the way. So we're just going to make sure that we cut into two. This video is quite beginner friendly, it's quite self-explanatory. So what I'm doing here, I'm just taking my hair and pass it through one hole at a time and take my hair and tie it, make a knot, little knot, right? So that it's quite secured. Crocheting video is one of the quite simplest. If you want to start making your weave, I believe this is the things you can start with, right? So yeah, guys, you're just going to make sure that your hair is able to pass through the hole, right? So you're just going to separate it as little as you can, and just to make sure, right? If you like the length of the hair, you can just leave it as it is. But however, if you like it like quite a little bit short, you can cut the whole packet of a hair into 3 sections. Me, as it is now, I just cut it into 2, right? So you just continue with your crochet all the way from back to front. So yeah guys, at this point I was quite almost done, right? So according to how this wig it is, it's quite full. I really love it. It's very good for like winter. You know, in South Africa it can be like be very cold. So instead of wearing like a hat or something, this is like a very good wig to wear on winter, right? So I kept on crocheting until my needle like broke down. However, I do have like multiple of crochet needles, right? So yeah, that's me, right? So if you don't want to make it like a bob, if you don't want to like make a bob, you can just make like a very cute line on the side, just so that it's gonna suit your look, right? For me, I just wanted to go like for like a bob kind of look, like, yeah, you know, style, right? Yeah, that's your girl like rocking the wig. So what you're gonna do next, you're just going to make sure that you trim it according to how you like it. I feel like for this wig I did not trim it enough because it was already quite late when I do this. It was like at night. However, if you do it, just take it outside, make sure that you trim it until you love it, right? So for me, I just wear it the way it is. However, for my next time when I wear it, I'll make sure that I trim it just a little bit, you know, just to make it more look like a natural look, right? So yeah guys, if you like this video, kindly subscribe guys. I'm looking forward to reaching 1K subscribers by the end of this year. So thank you guys so much if you have been sticking with me. I know I took like a very long pause, but your girl is back. It's gonna do like more videos, especially on hair. I saw that it's the one that people do like for this channel. So yeah guys, hope you guys really like this video, and also you really like the look, the way I style it. And I'll see you on my next video guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.